Hi everyone, I'm Bethan.
And I'm Matt.
And today we are removing our vinyl decals from our van.
Yeah, so we had a little go at this yesterday, so we know it works. But we're going to be able to take off the decals off the vehicle with only two, slash more than that I guess, two main things. One, a hairdryer. Two, a little sort of plastic wallpaper scraper. So we don't want to use metal because we don't want to scrape the metalwork. And three is just a normal sort of dish sponge with the little scoury bit on the outside.
No heat gun.
No heat gun, and using dish soap. So
biodegradable dish soap if possible, so that you're not polluting the environment at the same time.
Yeah, standard for us. But again, then we'll show you what we're using, and then we'll show you us doing a little bit so you can see exactly how it works.
So in this video, we're going to show you how to go from this to this. Let's get started.
So as I mentioned before, we're using a hairdryer. I put this little thing on here, which is
an air dryer, did you?
It's the hairdryer. So it's got that, it makes it maybe thinner, so concentrate on a certain area. I didn't use that last time. But then we've got a sponge and a peanut butter tub with just some dish soap in. And then if you look on here, we've got the decals here. So
oh wait, this way.
this looks like it's going to be a really satisfying one, to be fair.
Oh, I can get it started. That's often the hardest bit, isn't it? Is getting leverage underneath it.
Oh, you got that one. I think some of it might be a bit tight because you've only been concentrating on heat in one area. But
yeah, the thing is, because it's so cold, the metal's cold, and you can't heat up the whole thing because it just cools down quicker than you can get to it. So it's a bit of a waste of energy.
Although it seems to be lifting off without too much residue as well, which is good. Okay, wait for it.
Oh no!
No, tiny little bit left.
Oh, it's
How
very
satisfying
I
is
could
that?
stick to that. It's so sticky.
Yeah. That's so satisfying when you can get like the big chunks off like that as well. Some of the smaller letters obviously are a bit, well.
I wonder if I can. Oh, oh no.
Oh no.
So all of the vinyls are off on the top portion of this bit of the van. As you can see, there's no lettering left apart from this bit that I've missed. But it has left this kind of, I don't know if you can see that, like residue. And that's where the scrubbing comes in. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy to do, it's simple, but it is time consuming and
Tiring.
very tiring. My arm hurts from the bit that we did yesterday, but look at that. It's definitely worth it.
So if you see here, you've got a bit of residue here. It does take a little bit of elbow grease, but let's see what we can do. Oh, that's hard.
That's what I mean, it's simple but it's not easy.
Hard work, especially on a fresh bit that hasn't been touched with any water yet. So as you would have known, there was a whole bit there, but now that bit there is clean.
Squeaky clean.
Just the rest to go.
Ah! Oh my god.
You
I
tired?
have one massive muscle.
That's alright, this is part of why we're doing it, isn't it? It's just fitness.
Well, no. I mean, part of it is so that I can have a nice bed when we go camping. Also, we can have a nice bed. That's my main motivation anyway.
Yeah, fair.
Look.
Well, that panel's very nearly done, so. And then it's just
the rest.
The rest of it, which we have not done yet. And that's obviously, we've done the back actually. I didn't show you, but we did the back yesterday just to try it out. And it looks fantastic. So then once we've done this side, we're halfway there basically, or just over, because there's not much on the front.
Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you found it useful. Like it if you like it, comment and let us know if you've tried this or if you're going to try this, if you found it useful, and please subscribe so you don't miss any more of our updates.
Yeah, really appreciate it. And as we said, it's a simple process, but it is tiring, but so worth it, and you would have seen it from those clips. So,
but
yeah.
with something like that, you can do a little bit and then a little bit and then a little bit more, and it's progress, not perfection, like always. So yeah.
Right, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.
Bye.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.